Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching a quick unboxing and setup of the Redmi watch. This is Redmi's probably the first smartwatch I guess in the Indian market, and this is a budget smartwatch since the MRP itself on the box says that it's priced at around 5,999 and and it might be priced at around 5,000 the official price, but anyway you can check out the description for the official pricing since the video is going to launch since the video will be as the video will be published only after the official launch of the product. So this is the Redmi watch and the box packaging is quite normal and nothing special with the Redmi branding there, and the design actually looks similar to many other smartwatches, but what can you do? It's always the same with the smartwatches. They are tend to be the same with the design. Obviously it's going to stay on your hand, so different kind of unnecessary designs won't be seen there, and this is Redmi watch, innovation for everyone. Not much is given on the specs aspect on the box package, but anyway, if we talk about it, this comes with a 1.4 inch 320 to 320 pixels of screen resolution TFT LCD display with 350 nits of brightness, and there's a 2.5D curved glass on the sides of the watch. And this comes with the 10-day battery life. That's what the company claims. 10-day battery life with all the connectivity turned on with the smartphone, and it has quite a few sensors. So if we talk about the sensors, because this is currently the time when most of the users think that they should be taking care of their health even more than they usually used to do. This comes with the PPG heart rate sensor, which helps in the all-day heart rate detection, and it also has 3-axis acceleration sensor for that activity detection, and also geomagnetic sensor, barometer, and a gyroscope, as well as ambient light sensor, and it has inbuilt GPS based on what I remember in the briefing that we were told, but the spec sheet did not include the GPS there, but it should have GPS inbuilt. Will anyway, I don't know if this watch will be tested properly, at least from my side, because I'm not actually going out. We are in the phase of lockdown and I don't even go out for walk or jogging, so I'm not sure if the activity tracking will be done well, but let's see how it goes. And anyway, it would be a good test to see how good the connectivity and what the notification status on this one would be, whether it gives in all the notifications or not. So before we take out the watch, these are the things that you get inside the box package: the proprietary Poco Pin charger or the cradle for the charging, and then you have the different booklets. You have the Xiaomi user manual, the Redmi watch user manual, and also the safety guidelines and everything to let you know how to actually remove the strap and place a new strap if you want to. And now this is the smartwatch. So it comes with different color options for the straps, but this is one of those options that we got. And if you take a look at how the design is, it actually looks very sleek. It's not that thick of a watch. If we talk about the thickness from the sides, let me now pull up the cover first. So yeah, this is the smartwatch, and the watch face actually looks quite small, not that large, and since it's 1.4 inch, obviously you can expect that. And on the back you have this PPG heart rate sensor, and this is the way, to pull out the strap, it's quite easy. Press those buttons and the straps come out, and there's a single physical button as well which would help start the smartwatch, I guess. Yes, it does. And this all-day heart rate detection, this sleep tracking on this one, this guided breathing, target setting is present, and also air pressure detection is given in the smartwatch, and along with that the regular stuff such as the steps, calories, and also goal setting. Now this needs the Xiaomi Wear application, and with your account, let's try to add the device here, and you have the Redmi watch already in the list of those accessories. You have Mi Watch Resolve, Redmi Watch, Redmi Smart Band, and the Mi Smart Band 4C. Now searching for the watch, obviously it will search, and if through Bluetooth it actually connecting, phone is connected to the device, and allow access to your contacts and call history. And let's pair it. Pairing is successful, and now it's trying to add the account to the smartwatch. And if you can see, it's not that hard at all. It's not hard at all, not that hard, because it's very easy to connect. It just started detecting, and obviously after detection it tries to give you that notification that okay, this is connected. Now you'll have to give the access to the contacts and call history if you want to. If you don't want to, that's not necessary. It's not compulsory that you need to do that. Now this is the certification in India, so it's fully certified. Couldn't add your account. Okay, let's try again. Connecting to the Redmi watch once again. Okay, phone is connected and paid successfully. Now adding the account is a bit of a hassle right now. No, but we'll try it once again and see for an alternative later. Okay, let me, yes, agree. Now after agreeing, I guess pairing, and couldn't add. Try again, pair with watch. Yes, finally it's done. So you get a nudge on the smartwatch, and after that you'll be able to pair it, start using, and done. Now since this is just a quick setup video, you won't be able to see a lot of things. This watch faces, the shortcuts, and also the applications. So now if you go into the settings, let's keep the watch aside and talk about the settings in the Xiaomi Wear application. You have the battery percentage shown here, and watch faces. There's over 200 watch faces online that you can choose from and install. And if you go into the local, you have 5 watch faces that are present here. You can change them, probably you can change them on the watch itself. Let me check that as well. So pressing on this, I guess long pressing on this, yes, it does give you that option to change the watch face from here itself. Now going back into the app, you have notifications on your wearable device. Go to settings, and you'll have to obviously give the access to this, and I'll be doing that later. You have app notifications, incoming call notifications, user guide, background activity permissions as well have to be given for the smartwatch, and the connectivity to be properly done, because sometimes MIUI, and not just MIUI, other Android OS, not just MIUI, other OS or the interfaces also block these kind of applications, so you'll have to give that permission to them. These are the additional settings. Now if we go into the So that was what it was on the watch. Now if we go into back to the watch screen, if we check out the different things, there's heart rate that you can check, there's sleep data, there's also the weather data, calorie count, and also the music control. Now this is the quick settings option where you see the lift to wake, and also this is the torch option. Obviously it will turn on the display to white, and this is do not disturb mode. Wake for 5 minutes, and then wake for 5 minutes is off. And going into the settings, you have brightness where you can auto adjust the brightness, because it has that sensor which is the ambient light sensor, which will help in the brightness control. And then you have the different settings for brightness, 1 2 3 4 5 6 levels of brightness. And apart from that, you have the do not disturb mode, raise to wake, heart rate, and also the idle alert. So these are different things that you see inside the smartwatch. Now pulling down from the top will bring you the notification section, and left to right is all the settings that you see here. So this is it. This was a quick overview of the watch, and I would say it's quite sleek and very easy to hold. I mean, easy to hold in the sense that it is quite light. So it's not more than 35 grams in weight in total for the watch, plus this strap. So it's quite a very easy to use and a very handy device, but we'll anyway do a full review after checking out different things in it. There's also sport modes. So total of 11 sports modes are given here, which includes the trail running, hiking, walking, indoor cycling, and pool swimming, freestyle, and also cricket, open water swimming, treadmill, outdoor cycling, and outdoor running. So these are the different things that can be tracked under the sports activities. So that can also be done. We'll anyway properly check these kind of things such as heart rate monitor and everything, since we have the actual medical equipment as well. So we can try to see and check how much is the matching of it. I mean, is it really accurate or not? We'll also test that out. So for now, that's it. This was a quick overview of the Redmi watch with a quick setup of the same. So we'll be doing a full review only after 17th of May, so stay tuned for that as well. For now, that's it. I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to me sometimes for more. Thanks for watching. See you next video.